Sealing failure of sealing rings is the main cause of ventilator leakage in clinical practice. Zero flash process plus high-precision manufacturing. Completely solving sealing and cleanliness problems. Adopt Suzhou Menhow's exclusive high-precision mold and process closed-loop control technology to create zero-flash sealing ring products with flat and smooth edges without any burrs. Eliminates burr gap leakage, resolves traditional seals dimensional fluctuation and sealing instability. Medical-grade silicone for ventilator. High-frequency disinfection, excellent heat and chemical resistance, stable against autoclaving, alcohol wiping, and chlorine disinfectant immersion.